Welcome to English Flow Academy. I'm Anne.
And I am David. Today, we practice the simple present tense with a real American daily conversation.
Yes, let's begin. Hi, David. What time do you usually wake up on weekdays?
Hi, Anne. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays because I start work at 9 a.m. What time do you get up?
I get up at 6:30 every morning because I like to enjoy a quiet and peaceful morning before my day begins.
Do you feel tired when you wake up early?
Sometimes I feel a little tired, but I drink coffee and take a shower. And then I feel awake and ready for the day.
I understand that. I usually feel sleepy in the morning, so I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh.
That is a good idea. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day because I believe breakfast gives me energy and helps me focus at work. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit because I try to eat healthy food.
That sounds healthy. I sometimes eat pancakes on weekends because I enjoy sweet food.
Do you cook pancakes yourself?
Yes, I cook pancakes at home, and I add honey or fruit on top because I like natural sweetness.
That sounds delicious. Do you drink enough water during the day?
I try to drink at least 6 glasses of water every day because it keeps my body healthy.
That is very important. Where do you work?
I work in a small office downtown, and I usually answer emails, attend meetings, and talk to customers. What do you do at work?
I teach English online, and I talk to students from different countries because I enjoy helping people learn a new language.
That is interesting. Do your students practice speaking every day?
Some students practice every day, but some students only study before exams because they feel busy.
Yes, many people feel busy these days. How do you relax after work?
After work, I take a short walk in my neighborhood because walking helps me relax and clear my mind.
I go to the gym 3 times a week because exercise helps me stay strong and reduce stress.
Do you listen to music while you exercise?
Yes, I listen to fast music because it gives me energy and motivation.
I listen to soft music at night because it helps me sleep better.
Do you watch TV every evening?
No, I do not watch TV every evening, but I sometimes watch movies on Friday night because I want to relax.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic and comedy movies because they make me happy. What about you?
I prefer action and adventure movies because they are exciting and interesting.
Do you spend time with your family during the week?
Yes, I call my parents every evening because I want to stay connected with them.
That is very kind. I visit my family every weekend because family time is important to me.
Do you clean your house every day?
I clean a little every day because I like a clean and organized home.
I clean my apartment on Saturday morning because I have more free time.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read for about 20 minutes before bed because reading helps me relax and learn new ideas.
I also read before sleeping because it helps me forget stress from the day.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. because I need at least 8 hours of sleep.
I go to bed at 11 p.m., but sometimes I stay up late because I use my phone too much.
Many people do that. Do you check social media every day?
Yes, I check social media in the morning and at night because I like to see news and updates.
I do not check it very often because I want to focus on real life.
That is a healthy habit. Do you enjoy your daily routine?
Yes, I enjoy my routine because it keeps me organized, calm, and productive.
I agree. A simple routine makes life easier and less stressful.
Do you think simple present tense is easy for students?
Yes, I think it is easy because we use it to talk about habits, daily routines, and general facts.
That is correct. We use simple present for things we do regularly and for things that are always true.
Practice every day helps students improve their English faster.
Yes, practice makes progress. Today we practiced the simple present tense with a real daily conversation.
If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, practice with us every day.
Please like, share, and subscribe to English Flow Academy.
Join our channel and improve your English step by step. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.